Today we bought another young Galla buck goat for breeding. Look at the height and meat pack. Galla goats are known for their hardiness and good mothering ability with faster growth compared to other local goat breeds. A mature male can weigh up to 70 to 80 kilograms at around 2 to 3 years. They are ideal for cross-breeding purposes with other exotic breeds like the Boer and Savannah, with F1 offsprings able to attain over 40 kilograms in 6 to 8 months compared to local breeds that take about 2 years to achieve the same weight. Do you want to learn more about this breed? Then subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification for more videos on the Galla goat series.